Hello everyone! So today we are going to learn how to get the Jibestream Web SDK. So we'll be loading it in two ways. We'll load it through the CDN and then we'll try loading it through NPM. So first we're going to go into our HTML page and we're going to load it through the CDN. So we'll just put in a comment saying what we're about to do. So import the Jibestream Web SDK. And then we'll write a script tag and that will import the Web SDK using the URL shown here. And you'll see that in the URL, you can specify which version you want to load in. So in this one in particular, we're loading 4.5.4, but you can replace that version for whichever one you would like to use or the latest version that's currently out. While we're here, we're also going to import the map UI kit, which we'll use a little later on. And it's a similar URL, a similar script tag as well, just as written here. And similarly, you can specify both which plugin you want to use. So here we're using the Map UI kit, and also which version you'd like to use. So here we're using version 1.0.1. Of course, you can update those to the latest version or whichever one you would specifically like. However, if you're using, say, a React app, you might like to install the SDK using NPM. So when you're in the project directory, you can simply go npm i.jmap.js, and that will install that as a dependency for the project. And once it's loaded, in your app.js, you can import that dependency going import jmap from jmap.js, and that will then allow you to use a couple of global variables, for instance, jmap, jungle, and jcore. And so here you have it. You have two ways of importing the Jibestream Web SDK, either through the CDN or through NPM.